name is Alissa Lawson, and today I will walk you through how to make an appointment with your advisor in your Starfish account. From your browser, we will log on to ACTC's main webpage. This web address is ashland.kctcs.edu. On the top of the main webpage, you will see some headings: Student Self-Service, User Account Center, Email, Blackboard, Help, and Contact Us. Since we are scheduling an appointment, we will use our Starfish account, which is in Blackboard. We will click on the Blackboard option. We will then be prompted to enter our username and password. If you do not already have a username and password with us, we will need you to create one in the User Account Center. So once we're into our Blackboard portal, we will see our tools and course list on the main page. We will also see some headers at the top. We have a My Starfish at the top, and we have a Starfish located under the tools on the left-hand side. You may click either option. They will bring you to the same Starfish portal. Once into our Starfish portal, we will see some options on the left-hand side. We will need to find My Success Network. Click on that option. You are then brought to a directory of instructors and academic advisors, as well as early alert managers. This directory is for both past and present instructors and advisors. So double check on the right-hand side and make sure it says Show Services and People in this term, so that we make sure we're current. If you need to scroll through, you can find an instructor or advisor that says Assign out from it. Everyone should have an assigned advisor, and not everyone's is the same. So please make sure to look through all of the different people in the directory and find who you are assigned to. Once you find your assigned advisor, you will see a phone option with their phone number, an email option with their email address, and a schedule appointment option. Some may have the online scheduling not available alert, and that's okay. We can also contact them with their phone and email to schedule an appointment. But we are going to click on the schedule appointment option since we have it here. The default agenda view is on day, so if we look up here at the top, we will see day and week options. Some people may prefer the day option. I prefer the week option. It's a little bit more convenient to see future dates for your own convenience. You will then see all of your advisors' openings that go along with their office hours. If you need to, you can choose the Go to Next Week option by going to the arrows. On the left-hand side, we have times, and across the top, we have the dates with the month and the day. So find a day that's good for you and a time that's good for you. You may actually put your mouse over top of the sign-up option just to make sure that the sign-up date and time is correct. Then we will click on the sign-up option. Under the Add Appointment screen, make sure that your with is with your assigned advisor. We will select a reason from the drop-down box. You will have different options here as to what you are meeting with your advisor about. If for some instance you may not know exactly what reason to choose, you may choose a general advising option, and in the details, be sure to explain in detail what you're looking to accomplish in this appointment with your advisor. It is always good to explain any appointment that you are scheduling. This way your advisor is more prepared and ready to meet with you, and they kind of know what's going on before you're even there. Another good thing to look at is to make sure you look under your location under where. We have different campuses, so depending on what campus your advisor is at, sometimes they are at multiple campuses on different days of the week. So make sure that location is good for you. You may need to go back and choose a different day if not. So once we get this filled out, we will then submit. Once we submit our appointment, it will pop up in our calendar here in our agenda for that time and day. Since our Starfish is linked to our Blackboard, which is linked to our KCTCS account, you will receive an email confirming your appointment, and sometimes you will receive reminders if you wish to do so. At this point, your appointment is scheduled. If for any reason you need to cancel an appointment, you can do that also through this same page here. You will just find your appointment. You can click on the little calendar beside of your appointment, and you will see down here at the very bottom where it says cancel. You can click cancel. You can add any notes if you need to, and just submit that. And then your request is processed and you are ready.